Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can download apps on your Xiaomi 14, and for that we'll need to go to our Play Store, and here we have a For You page. In the app section we have top charts, apps for children and different categories. Then we have the game section, also a For You page, top charts, games for children, premium games and different categories. And then we have a book section, so ebooks, audiobooks, different genres, top selling, new releases and top for free. And here you can go ahead and select any app that you like. And we always have that search bar, and here we can type in the name of an app that we would like to download. And I will type in the Ferrando now, just as an example. Type that in, and then you have your app here. You have ratings and reviews, and then you can go ahead and install it. And then you can open it through the button here, uninstall it directly, or go back, and then it will pop up on your home screen. So that is how you can install apps on your Xiaomi 14. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.